thank you for joining me today. It's Andrea here with another dim sum favorite, beef chow fun or乾炒牛河. I have been missing dim sum, if you can't tell, from my dim sum playlist, which you can find here or in the link in the description below. For me, dim sum is never really complete without some noodle dish to round out that meal, and also for me, that noodle dish is beef chow fun. For those of you who don't know what this is, it's a Cantonese dish where slices of tender beef are stir-fried with wide, flat rice noodles, green onions or Chinese chives, and crisp bean sprouts, all infused with soy sauce. This is a dry dish, so there shouldn't be any sauce dripping at the bottom of the plate after eating, and you'll probably finish every bite. So let's get started. First, you'll need 1 pound of flat, wide rice noodles, which you can find at most Asian grocers. They come pre-cut or as full sheets. This recipe uses the cut noodles, but if you can only find the full sheet version, just cut them up yourself into 1/2 inch wide strips. Loosen up the strips into separate noodles, which you can do by dipping the noodles into boiling water or massaging the noodles on a flat surface. Next, wash 2 to 3 handfuls of bean sprouts, cut 2 stalks of green onions or Chinese chives into quarters, cut 3 thin slices of ginger, and finely slice 1 onion. Now, diagonally cut 1 pound of flank steak into slices. Freezing the beef for a couple of hours until the beef is partially but not completely frozen will help make it easier to slice the beef thinner. Be sure to cut against the grain to make the beef more tender, especially if you're using a cheaper cut of meat. To make the marinade, in a medium-sized bowl, combine 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Stir to combine, then add the slices of beef and stir until all the pieces have been coated in the marinade. Set this aside for 1/2 hour or longer if you have time. The longer you marinate, the more tender the beef will be. To make the sauce in a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, a pinch of sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. When your beef is done marinating, heat up your wok on high heat until it begins to smoke. Then add in 1 tablespoon of oil and the ginger. Let the ginger warm for a few seconds before adding in the beef and the onions. Stir fry until the beef is barely pink, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in the sauce. Give a quick toss. Then stir in the noodles and the bean sprouts. Stir until the noodles are coated in the sauce. Finally, add in the green onions or the chives. Give another quick toss and serve. Here it is, friends, beef chow fun, so easy to make and even easier to eat. A portion this size feeds my little family of 4, which includes 2 little mouths. Often we eat this dish on its own, but it's also a great accompaniment to congee. You can check out my plain congee recipe above. Thank you again for joining me today. Leave a comment below and let me know what your must-eat item at dim sum is. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun food ideas. Until next time, friends.